As a real estate professional, you understand that one of the first places your potential clients go when looking for a home is online. The internet has radically altered the way that we communicate and get information. It has also altered the way that we search for homes and the way that real estate leads are generated. In an age of instant access to information, most home buyers prefer to research and look at houses by themselves before they talk to an agent. It's crucial that you're ready to engage today's online home searchers in a way that translates to real-life business. Whether you're a solo agent, a team leader, or an inside sales agent on a real estate team, this course will strengthen your knowledge of online lead prospecting and help you convert more inbound leads. Regardless of your specialty, location, or experience level, we'll show you how to systematize your approach to online lead prospecting and conversion. Learn the strategies and methods top-producing real estate agents use to source, nurture, and convert inbound digital leads. Implement the scripts, templates, and techniques guaranteed to generate a predictable and steady flow of business from people who begin their home search online. Whether you're a seasoned agent or just starting out in the business, online lead conversion is the one course you must have as your guide.